Hi friends, Walt here at the Schultz team. I wanted to share with you something that I just recently learned that has been pretty impactful to me. And that would be the misconception of revolving credit and how to obtain the highest score possible with your credit card companies. So everybody's looking for the highest score. I get asked all the time, how can I get a higher score? How can I get up to the 800s and that? And we look at their credit cards. It's the first place that I always start. Now, credit cards have really three different areas that they're looking at with your credit utilization, or how much you've spent on the card. And it's based upon when they pull your account and when they score. So it doesn't matter whether you pay it off on a monthly basis or not, that helps a better score. However, it can also hurt your score. So let me explain. So with credit utilization with your credit cards, again, there's three areas. There's a 10% of your high credit limit, 30% of your high credit limit, and 50% of your high credit limit. Based upon those three factors will be what score you then achieve. It doesn't matter if you pay it off on a monthly basis or not. But when they pull your account and when they report, if you are over 10% of your high credit limit, so let's say your high credit limit is $1,000, if you've spent over $100 a month on your credit card, your score will be a little bit lower than if you have it at 10% or lower. So the sweet spot with a credit card really is to keep your accounts at 10% of your high credit limit or lower. And you're gonna get the best possible score that way. The next level would be a 30% utilization of your credit card. Now with the 30% utilization of your credit card, you're gonna get a really good score. You're not gonna get a great score as you would at 10%, but you're gonna get a really good score. The next level is a 50% utilization. So when you're between 30 and 50%, the credit card companies are gonna hit you a little harder on your score. Over 50%, it's done. You're gonna get nailed pretty hard on your credit score. So my counsel would be to please try to keep your credit cards at 10% utilization if you want the best possible score. If you go a little over and you're at 30% utilization, that's okay, you're gonna get a good score. But the second you're over 30% utilization, you're gonna get hit pretty hard. So I hope that you found value in this. If you have, please share it with other people. We'd love to help them with their credit. Thanks and have an awesome day.